Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be hair related and it's going to be on this Inglam 2-in-1 hair straightener and curler. I absolutely love the concept of a hair straightener and a curler because I can't tell you how many times, especially when I travel, I have a hair straightener and a curling iron. So this is a 2-in-1, which I love. So we're going to unbox this and then do a demo as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see more on the Inglam 2-in-1 hair straightener and curler, then just keep watching. So this is what the beautiful box looks like. As you guys can see, we're going to open it up. I've already taken the iron out, which I'm going to show you in a second. But what's nice is that when I did receive this, it came with this right here, this little, I don't know, attachment. So say you are traveling and you don't want this to be open, you put this on and it keeps it like that. And I always end up like throwing my irons in like this and it's open like that. So I kind of like how they have this little thing that clamps it shut and keeps it like that, especially for like storage purposes. And then next, it also comes with a really nice case to store the hair curler and straightener, in, which is nice as well. So that's nice for traveling, for storage purposes when you're not using it. It's just a little drawstring pouch, as you guys can see. And then next, it comes with the instructions and, we'll be referring to it. But honestly, this device is pretty self-explanatory, but it comes with the instruction manual. And then they also include some goodies in as well. So they include 2 hair clips to kind of section off your hair depending on how you're going to wear it. If you're going to be curling it and you need to section off your hair, they include 2 clips that say Inglam on them. They include a glove, so if you're really nervous about burning yourself, which I've done many times in the past, it's just personal preference, but you can put this glove on so you're not touching your really hot hair, or if you're nervous about touching, by accident touching the straightener, curler, you can wear this mitt as well. So they do include that, which is nice. And lastly, they include a comb too to help section off your hair. So I really like that they include these little extra accessories. But for the star of the show, it is the 2-in-1 hair straightener. So this is what it looks like, and I think they have a few different colors, but I went with pink naturally. It matches my room, which is really, really nice. I noticed that this in general is just so much longer. Even the actual plate that heats up is longer than my other 2, and they're much older, that I've been using for years, my other 2 flat irons. These plates are a lot longer, so it allows you to straighten more hair quicker. So I really do like that. It is a little bit longer. And then it's got a little LED screen. As you can see, it says blinking on off. So it's letting you know that it's off. I do have it plugged in. I do want to go to the instruction manual because I saw this and I'm like, I need to repeat this to everybody because I've actually never seen this in an instruction manual for a curling or a flat iron. But it says that you want to have your device at 250 degrees to 340 degrees for very fine, fragile, or damaged hair. You want to have it at 360 degrees to 400 degrees for normal, easy to straighten, or curling hair. And then you want to have it from 420 degrees to 450 degrees for thick, difficult to straighten, or curling hair. So I just wanted to relay that to you. That's actually good to know. And then lastly, what I'm super excited about, because I can become a little OCD when it comes to unplugging my hair irons, this has an auto shut off, and my flat iron that I've been using for the last like 2 or 3 years doesn't have an auto shut off. The auto shut off time period is 1 hour, so no matter what, this is going to turn off after 1 hour. So again, having that peace of mind is great. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of just get into the demo. We're gonna turn this on. So as you guys can kind of see, like in the middle right there, that's where the buttons are. I like that because say I wanna place this down, it's not gonna shut the device off. The buttons are on the inside, so you're not really gonna hit anything to like mess up your temperature setting or shut the device off. So I'm gonna hit this middle button in the center right there, and we're gonna power it on. and then you see how it turns kind of blue. So this went from 0 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. You guys, once it stops blinking the temperature setting, that means that it's at that exact temperature. And then you can kind of see how the plates are red inside. This is infrared. So I think I'm just gonna lower the temperature setting just a little bit. Let's see, I think like we'll do 350 right now, and if I need to tweak it up, I will. So what I want to do first is just kind of go through. Actually, before we go through, I just want to spray a little of this heat protectant, and I'll link this down below. I love this heat protectant spray. This is the Guytane My Defender spray, and it has a little bit of like light control in it. But this is specifically for spraying on your hair when it's dry to use as a heat protectant. You gotta wait like a second. You can't just like go right to put the iron right on your hair. But I'm just gonna kind of loosely kind of just spray so we have some heat protectant going on. All right, and then now what I wanna do, I have a little bit of like a bump right here. So I wanna just take this and we're gonna, it's just crazy because I can fit so much hair in here because the plates are just so much longer. I actually have a mirror that I'm gonna look in instead of looking in the viewfinder, and that will be much more simpler. But yeah, this is definitely making my hair super sleek. Very excited about this. As you can see, I just smoothed out that side. We can take this little piece right here, kind of smooth out. This works amazing. I want to also test out how this curls because I, again, have curling irons and then I have a flat iron. So if this can do everything in one, then this is going to make my life easier. So we're just going to wrap this around. So that's what the curl looks like. This definitely curls. I just kind of want to maybe curl a little bit higher up and then go out. And then we'll see what that looks like. Look at that curl. Holy crap, we have a 2-in-1 here. This is going to make my life and possibly yours a lot easier. That is insane, you guys. Oh my goodness. So let's see, I'm gonna just re-straighten this curl out, and that is hot. Ouch, that's where that glove would come back in. Let me actually put the glove on so we don't burn myself. But yeah, so basically this does curls and it will straighten back out like so. We're almost straightened. I might just have to go over it like a couple passes, but you guys get the gist. But look, I mean, that's crazy. This is going to be my new favorite. If you guys are interested in this 2-in-1 infrared hair straightener, flat iron, and curler, I will have it listed down below. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.